Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the side of the arm using charcoal. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now let's get to the video. Okay, so first we want to block in our arm by drawing a circle for the shoulder, along with two shapes similar to a rectangle representing both the bicep and forearm. And then next, we're going to block in the elbow along with the tricep. From here, we can start working our way inside our shapes and add in hints of the bicep and forearm muscles. And as you go along, try to keep your line weight and tones fairly light, since we're going to go back and add more contrast to them later. This is basically what you call the construction phase of our drawing. And then next, we can start defining our outer shapes with heavier line weight, and be sure to take your time at this stage. Also, if you have to, don't hesitate to lift your pencil in order to avoid any mistakes as you go along. Next, we're going to start adding in some gradual tone in some areas, which will give our arm some more dimension. Also, as you progress, you also want to soften your tones as well, so they're not as rough. And as a quick note, if you can remember from my previous tutorials, the majority of muscles will never have a harsh line that defines them, but instead they have gradual levels of tone, depending on the light and how it hits it. And as another reminder, you want to always keep your pencil at a tilt so that you're drawing with the side of your pencil when adding any sort of tone. This is basically just going to help with defining certain tones rather than making any hard edges with your pencil. Also, if you feel the need to, you can erase any unneeded marks as well, just to make your drawing more presentable. And that is our video. I hope this was helpful for you, and take care everyone.